In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using AI in 2025. And if that sounds interesting, then welcome to my channel where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. In today's video, let's talk about how you can use AI to make money. Because look, AI is hot right now. Everyone is talking about it. The internet is booming with AI, so it only makes sense that you should also start taking advantage of all the opportunities out there. Not just for yourself, but also financially. Like how else will you stay afloat in this economy, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of AI so that you can make money. Alright, so firstly, why even talk about making money from AI in 2025? Well, because I believe that AI is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. And because the future of work and the future of making money is going to be heavily reliant on artificial intelligence. So whether you want to freelance, whether you want to automate your business, start a startup, scale an existing business, create content, anything, it's all going to be AI powered. And secondly, because I don't want you to miss out on any opportunity. I want you to take advantage of all the opportunities that are out there for you. And I want you to thrive, like I really do. So that's why I'm making this video. And thirdly, because this is something that I think about every day. How can I use AI to improve my business? How can I use AI to improve my personal life? And how can I leverage AI to get me more profits? And by the way, I'm not an AI expert. I'm just a business coach who happens to be very interested in AI. But I am someone who has been running a business online for over 6 years. I have made over $1 million online, and I have started multiple six-figure businesses. So what I do know is how to run a business and how to make money. And through that lens, I'm going to talk to you about AI. Okay, so what are the top ways to make money using AI? Number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing is probably one of the most straightforward ways to start making money. With AI, you could offer services such as copywriting, logo design, social media management, customer service, virtual assistants, proofreading, translation, and much more. And there are many platforms out there where you can find clients looking for these types of services. For example, Fiverr, Upwork Guru, People Per Hour, and freelancer.com. Number 2 is startups. You could build an AI-powered startup that solves a particular problem or meets a specific need. For example, an AI-powered chatbot that helps businesses provide customer service. An AI-driven platform that helps creators create content. There are a ton of examples out there. Check the news. There are so many companies being built around AI right now. Guess what? Many of them are getting funded, which means there's money to be made here. 3, automation. Automate your business processes to increase efficiency and reduce costs. For example, automate your social media posting, your email marketing, your customer service, your bookkeeping, your payroll, your advertising. If you own a business, there are things that you can automate. And AI is great for that because it can learn your patterns and can perform tasks repetitively without getting tired. Number 4 is content creation. Create tutorials, reviews, and other types of videos that help others understand and use AI tools. Or you could also create AI-generated art, music, sound effects, and sell them on platforms such as Etsy, Creative Market, Audio Jungle, Envato Elements, or even your own website. 5, e-commerce. Use AI to personalize the shopping experience for customers and provide recommendations based on their browsing history and purchase patterns. For example, use AI-powered chatbots to provide customer service and support. And number 6, paid advertising. Run targeted ad campaigns using AI-powered tools such as Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Microsoft ads, Snapchat ads, Pinterest ads, you name it. This will help you reach your target audience more effectively and increase your ROI on advertising. Alright, so those are the top ways that you can use AI to make money. Now let's talk about the skills and tools that you need to get started. Because no one is going to hand you money. You got to work for it. Alright, so fact, no one. According to a survey conducted by Upwork freelancers who use AI in their work report, an average of 38% increase in revenue. And I love that statistic because it shows that there is money to be made here. And the second fact is that, according to a study by McKinsey, AI could automate up to 50% of the work that people currently do, and guess what that means? That means that there are a lot of jobs that are going to be automated, which means that you could save a lot of time and money by using AI. Now let's talk about the tools that you need. 1. ChatGPT. which is a tool for generating text using AI. It can be used for things such as copywriting, writing scripts, writing emails, writing code. No. 2. Midjourney, which is a tool for generating images using AI. This can be used for things such as graphic design, creating thumbnails, creating album covers, creating art. No. 3. Adobe Firefly, which is a tool for generating images using AI. Firefly is a free tool that you can use to generate images using AI. It's still in beta, but you can sign up and start using it right away. And number 4 is Synthesia, which is a tool for generating videos using AI. Let's move on to the case studies. So one example of a business that has been successful using AI is Airbnb. Airbnb uses AI for things such as personalized recommendations, pricing recommendations, fraud detection, and much more. And guess what? They've seen great results. Their personalized recommendations engine helps travelers find unique places to stay that match their interests and budget. And their pricing recommendation engine helps hosts set the right price for their listing. The second example is Netflix. Netflix uses AI for things such as personalized recommendations, content creation, fraud detection, and much more. And they've also seen great results. Their recommendation engine helps viewers find shows and movies that they might like based on their viewing history and preferences. Now let's talk about some warnings. So first of all, don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to fail. In fact, I encourage you to fail because failure is just another excuse to learn and grow. Secondly, don't expect overnight success. Building a successful business takes time and effort. And lastly, don't forget the human element. AI is great, but it cannot replace the human element. So don't forget to focus on building relationships and providing excellent customer service. Okay, so let me leave you with a few predictions about the future of AI. No. 1. AI will continue to evolve and become more sophisticated. No. 2. AI will become more integrated into our daily lives. And no. 3. AI will create new opportunities in industries. Alright, so I hope that this video has inspired you to start using AI to make money. I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and let me know what your thoughts are on AI and how you plan on using it to make money. And if you want to download my free guide on how to start a business, click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.